Happy Easter mga katitumiel! Ano ba ang Easter? Well, bago natin i-describe ang parts ng misa, ang Easter is not only the greatest Christian feast. Easter Sunday symbolizes the fulfillment of our faith as Christians. Through Jesus' death, Christ destroyed our bondage to sin. Through His resurrection, He brought us the promise of new life both in heaven and on earth. So mga katitumiel, sa mga dumalo na Easter Vigil kagabi, it is divided into two parts because the vigil itself is long and complex. The chief component of the Paschal Vigil are the opening service of light, an extended liturgy of the Word, the blessing of water, followed by the celebration of Christian sacrament of initiation, baptism of catechumens and their confirmation, and then the liturgy of the Eucharist. Etong napapanood nyo ngayon na tinatawag natin the service of light. As the priest enters the darkened church with that one candle, he intones on three separate occasions, "Rise our light," si Kristo ang liwanag, to which we respond, "Thanks be to God." This night, Christ, our light, is risen from the dead, dispelling the darkness of death and the gloom of the tomb. It is from the one Paschal candle that the minister distributes the fire to the faithful. Each received his own small candle.
Kay Kristo ay nabibilang lahat ng panahon araw.
Tara, panoorin natin ang highlights ng Service of the Light.
Kay Kristo ay nabibilang mga taong daan-daan. Hari siya ng kasaysayan. Siya si Kristo ay nabuhay. Kay Kristo ang karangalan, lahat ng kapangyarihan, Panginoong binarangal. Kasi si Kristo ay nabuhay.
As the Paschal candle makes its way to the altar, the progressive illumination of the church from the darkness to light by candlelight is palpable. Christ, our light, has put aside the darkness. Matapos masindihan ng Paschal candle, inanyayahan lahat na sumunod at sindihan ng kanilang kandila papasok ng simbahan. Susundan ito ng service of the Word or liturgy. Unlike the typical Sunday liturgy of the Word, the Paschal Vigil envisions up to 9 readings and requires at least 7 of the readings from the Old Testament and at least 3 which came from Exodus, Romans, and reading taken from St. Mark. The next part of the Easter Vigil is the Sacrament of Initiation. These sacramental rites occur normally after the Gospel and Homily, as they sometimes do at Sunday Mass. Where baptism in a parish occurs during Sunday, the same order is true for the Easter Vigil. The first sacrament of Easter is baptism because baptism is participation of Jesus' death in the hope of resurrection. Water cleanses and water can also kill. Water restores and revives. All those meanings come into play during the Easter Vigil. After the blessing of the water comes baptism. This is the night that the catechumens, those who have been preparing for baptism, have been waiting for. Tonight, the church grows. Tonight, these catechumens become Christians. Any Christians who are converting to Catholicism, those already been baptized, are then received into the church, and all these new Catholics are confirmed. All that will remain is their first communion during the Easter Mass. Matapos ang misa, nagkaroon ng prosesyon na tinatawag nating tradisyonal na salubong o sa Tagalog ay welcome. Ang salubong is a traditional Filipino devotion that reenacts the encounter of the risen Christ with His mother, Mary. In communities in the Philippines, on the morning of Easter Sunday, the faithful carries the statues of the risen Christ and Mama Mary. Pagkatapos sa salubong, nagkaroon tayo ng dagit. During dagit, a Tagalog term means to catch or to hook. A child would remove the black veil that covers the head of the Virgin Mary, which means that her mourning is over since Christ has already risen. Tara, panoorin natin ang highlights ng dagit habang isang bata, isang anghel, inaawitan si Maria ng papuri para kay Jesus dahil natapos ng kanyang pagduluksa. Matapos ang dagit, nagkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na bati dance. The word originates from the Tagalog word term pagbati, meanings to greet. The bati has little girls and boys, young teens dancing before the image of risen Christ and Blessed Virgin Mary in front of the church during Easter rites. Gaya na sinabi ko, right after the salubong. Just like other dances developed during Christianization, the sayaw ng bati or dance of greeting is a performance conducted during the dawn of Easter, and it's popular in southern Tagalog region, lalo na sa mga Batanggenyo. Tara, panoorin natin ang sayaw na tinatawag na dance of greetings or bati dance. Ay mga katitungel, ito yung mga highlights ng Easter celebration dito sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. Yan ay nabuhay ang Diyos, maligayang Paskal ang pagkabuhay. Stay protected.